In this video, I'm going to show you the top 2 platforms that are paying people for free to simply watch YouTube videos like this video right here. Now check this out. This right here is a PayPal payment of 103 sent to me for simply watching YouTube videos on the platform. If you watch just one YouTube video, you can earn $3. If it's 2 videos, you can make about $6, and if it's 10 videos, you can get paid $30 repeatedly. For instance, this particular YouTube video is one that I was paid to watch. It's really easy to earn money by watching music videos, animal videos, or other types of films you enjoy. After clicking Watch the video, the YouTube video will begin playing. You will watch it for around 20 seconds, during which time you will earn the most points possible, which you can then instantaneously convert into real money. You should now visit the website quickrewards.net, which is located here. One of the best websites to earn money from watching videos is this one, which has been around since 2002 and has already paid its members over $7 million. The best part is that the minimum payout is only 1 cent. This website offers a variety of ways to earn money online, including completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and completing offers, but our focus is on making money from watching videos. Therefore, you need first register an account by entering your information, including your email address and password, and choosing how many emails you wish to receive from them. If I were you, I would just choose the last option to only receive emails every 4 days, accept the terms of service, and verify that I'm not a robot once you confirm your email and log into your account. This is what your new dashboard would look like, and I want you to pay close attention to this. As I said, there are many ways to make money on this website. For instance, you can do surveys as well as clicks. Videos offer walls games, and if you scroll down here, you can see a lot of new different surveys where you can earn some quick money. If you want to achieve results similar to these, make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss any crucial steps. There are a lot of things happening right now, but I don't want you to get overwhelmed by them. Instead, I want you to click on the tab that will allow you to make the most money, so go ahead and click where it says Videos right here. This will take you to this page where you can see all the ways we have to watch videos and earn money. But these 2 possibilities right here, are the ones we're going to use. Now, if you simply click on the second one and then click Continue, all of the films that you can view and earn money from will be displayed to you. As you can see, they have a limitless number of videos. By the way, like I promised, I'll show you 2 places where you can truly make money by viewing genuine YouTube videos if we return to the other choice here that states advertisements and videos. There is a higher paying site that I'm also about to show you in this video, but let me quickly demonstrate how this one works first. As I mentioned, you can earn money by watching YouTube videos here by clicking on Add Some Videos and then clicking Continue. It will then show you a lot of options. If I scroll up and click on the first one here, I can then click Start Earning again as you watch. If you don't want to watch the entire video, you can just set it to play in the background while you attend to other tasks. Once you've done that, all you have to do is return to the dashboard, click here, and then click on Redeem. This will take you to a page where you can exchange your points for a variety of gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, Applebee's gift cards, etc. If you just want to give people money, click Pay. Now let's move on to the second website, which is my favorite. If you're still watching the video, comment your country below and don't forget to like the video. This is the second website, and what's cool about it is that you can also redeem gift cards very easily. As you can see, they have many different kinds of gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, Payoneer gift cards, PayPal, etc. The name of this website is Swagbox. Either go to swagbox.com or simply type its name into the search bar and click the first link. I'm also going to demonstrate a unique technique I personally use to automate this website so that after you finish watching videos, your friends or rangers will continue to watch videos and earn money on your behalf. Of course, the first thing you should do is create an account here. Just enter your email address, your password, and your password again. Check this box and then sign up. You will have a lot of options here, but I don't want you to get confused by all of these things, so just follow what I do and click where I click, and you will start making money right away. So what you want to do is go here where it says Discover and then click where it says Discover Home. It's going to look like this. Once you sign up, you immediately earn a free $1 bonus. And then click on Ads and Media, which will bring you to this website where you can watch any genre of video you typically enjoy watching on YouTube without leaving this website, and you'll also get paid for it. Simply choose your favorite genre from the variety here, then click Start Earning, and a YouTube video will appear for you to watch before you start earning. You can still make money from this website while you're not working on it by going here and clicking where it says Referrals. This will take you to this page where you can find your referral link, which is this one right here, right now. As you can see here, you can earn 10 per referral. I'm going to show you how to get at least 100 people to your link today. So first, copy a referral link from here. Then head over to Facebook and type in the search bar here, Make Money Online. Once you do that, scroll down here and select Groups. Then go ahead and select Public Groups because public groups are more likely to have people who are interested in your offer. For instance, if someone makes $1,000, you will also get $100 for just watching YouTube videos. But I only want you to join groups with a large number of members. Anything over 50K members is excellent. Let's take one of these as an example. As you can see, this person posted his referral link here and received over 20 comments. You should do the same. To increase engagement and drive more traffic to your link, you can also share a screenshot of your earnings from the website. Just like most of these people with a lot of engagement. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.